Hello, stampers and paper crafters. Welcome to my Wednesday live unboxing video. I am Sarah Chatello. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and my business is Sassy Paper Crafts. So I wanted to show you what I ordered from my first full order from the new annual catalog. We were able to pre-order some things in April. But on May 4th, the catalog went live and we were able to get anything in the catalog we wanted, just like everybody else. And I wanted to show you what all I got. So I'm just going to give people a few minutes to pop on. If you're watching me today, go ahead and say hi in the comments. And let me just adjust my camera. That's a little not what I want, but that should work. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I ordered was a stamp set that was a replacement of this stamp set. So we got this for on tour. Being a demonstrator, we get like perks like that where we get to go to conventions and things like that. So we did a virtual on tour and they sent us this stamp set and it's having some quality issues. So Stampin' Up kindly replaced it for everybody who got one with a stamp set valued at $24, and I got this one. It's called A Good Man, and I can see so many Father's Day, birthday cards coming up using this set. The sentiments are awesome. There's no dies or anything like that to go with it, but it is a clean stamp set, and like I said, brand new. I just got this, my order yesterday. And hi, Ryan and Tara and Alyssa. Hi, everybody. So this is what I got for free from Stampin' Up. And then the first bundle I want to show you, I'm really excited about this one. It is Flowers of Friendship. And it might be called something different in the catalog. I probably should have looked to see before I started this. Let me get my handy dandy catalog with all my Post-it notes on it and take a peek in the back at the punch bundles. Because now I can show you guys this catalog now. And if you still need a catalog and don't have one, and you're a local, I will be at the Bay County Fairgrounds on Saturday for a craft show. Yep, it is the Flowers of Friendship bundle. And so it punches out the punch here. Let me open it up. Has 2 flowers and 2 leaves. Oh, and I'm losing you guys. My camera's falling. Sorry. That was weird. All right. It's 2 punches and 2 leaves. And it coordinates with these here. And I don't know why my camera keeps falling. What's going on? There, hopefully that stays. If you might be a little crooked now, but hey, we're gonna go with it. It just kept moving. And yes, Tara, we are getting together to make cards soon because I do love these sets. You're gonna love this one too. The Color and Contour bundle. And my camera is going. I don't know what is happening. Hold on. Try moving my phone. Excuse me. So, oh my gosh, what is going on? Might not be in there tight enough. Hang on. There we go. I think I fixed it. All right. Sorry, guys. Stick with me. It is a Wednesday night. I am tired. We are doing this. All right. So the Color and Contour bundle comes with framelits. Hi, Colleen. Hope you stuck around for that little technical difficulty. So these punch out or die cut the flowers in here. And then you have these really cute scallopy framelits. Pull this off. Well, and then there's also a pretty cool border edge. I like that a lot. I can't wait to make projects with this. And I love the sayings in there. So I move that, and I will show you the next thing. And you guys, I saved 20% on all this stuff just by being a demonstrator. So we have an awesome join promotion going on right now. If you would like to become a demonstrator for $99, you can get $155 worth of product. You can get all the stuff I'm showing here today. So this is the fluid watercolor paper. This isn't new, but I've actually never used it before. I've used the old watercolor paper, and the difference with this versus our basic white cardstock is it's cotton watercolor paper. So it really soaks up the color. It's very thick. There's one sheet of it. It's very thick. I don't know if you can tell. And it's got a cool texture to it. So I'm excited to make some watercolored cards with that. And then these are two of our new embellishments. Those are the 2020 to 2022 In Color Square Gems. They replace, see if I have them here, the enamel dots. So they're the same colors, but they're just a different embellishment. Hi, Kathy. So happy to be here today. And these are the Genial Gems. I believe these are from the Hand Pen Suite. And that is Mint Macaroon and Pale Papaya. And those are just really pretty. So I wanted to try those out. And the next one is just a stamp set, but I can see me using this quite a bit. This is the best chapter. It's a Photopolymer Stamp Set. And the way Stampin' Up is doing these now is they have the images inserted into the case. So all you have to do to assemble this, you take off that clear plastic, you take your stamp, peel it off, and stick it on. They're making it super easy. But this has some really great sentiments in it. Some retirement ones, graduation, housewarming. I like that one. Weddings. I could see this being used quite a bit. And the next one is another bundle. This I actually use my Hostess rewards on. So I have a quick thing to show you here. So we're having a promotion right now called Connect, Craft, and Collect, and you get $25 if you are in any of those, what I call sweet spots there. So after $250, you get 10% in rewards plus an additional 25 bucks. So for this order, I got $50 in rewards, and this bundle was actually $52. So I did have to spend $2 to get it, but hey, I got a bundle for $2. You really can't beat that. Let me show you the dies, because I think that's the most stunning part of the bundle, the dies. The stamp set is beautiful as well, but so this, I'll pull it off the tape they use. This cuts out a treetop, and that gives it the detail. And how cool is that? And there's a couple of different trees here. There's some banners, birds, and that stamp set is just so pretty. Can't wait. I have lots of ideas for this stuff, guys. So stay tuned to my Facebook page, my blog, my Instagram, all kinds of stuff coming soon. And so the last thing that I wanted to show you is I purchased, this is the first time I have ever done this, but I purchased a whole suite. A whole suite. I never do this because for my upline, she does a product share, and I usually get all the paper, ribbons, embellishments, that kind of thing. So I never purchased the whole suite. I just purchased the bundles. I got the Your Peach suite, the whole thing. So here is the Photopolymer Stamp Set. And let me open this up and show you the dies. And I have tons of ideas for this one. They make really cool birthday cards. I've seen demonstrators already posting ideas. And so there are the dies. I know it doesn't seem like much, but just imagine all the possibilities. So you can cut out the peaches here, the flowers, the leaves, There's even a little banner there for some of the sayings. Super excited about this bundle. And the suite also comes with designer series paper. Let me show you that. This is You're a Peach designer series paper. And I'm going to open it up. It's 12 by 12. And I actually have a product here with this paper coming soon, but I wanted to get the whole thing because it's so pretty. And on Friday, my Friday Live, I will be doing a giveaway of a 6x6 version of this paper. It's just easier to ship that way. So come back on Friday to win the You're a Peach designer series paper. It's two-sided. Some very cool colors in here. Sorry, I just don't have enough room for this. My goodness. And there's two of each design in here. And this is also why I like showing the 6x6 on here, because it's easier for me to handle. But these would make great scrapbook pages if you're into scrapbooking. So pretty. So that is the designer series paper. And wait, there's more. But wait, there's more. These, friends, are the mini jam jars, if I can open them. Ugh, I can't open it. There we go. I just ripped the box. It's fine. So you get 6 of these jars. And they're actually a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. But how cute are those? And they're just plastic. But they're just little jam jars. And you could decorate the tops. You could put some of that designer series paper around the side. I have a lot of ideas for these as well. So stay tuned for that. And that, my friends, is my unboxing. It's my haul. Tell me in the comments the suite or product or what you're looking at getting, what your most favorite thing is, what you want to see, what you want to use. Let me know in the comments. And make sure to come back on Friday at noon to enter for a chance to win this lovely designer series paper. I will see you all Friday. Thanks so much for watching. Good night.